Hi there, we're going to play Candyland. So when you open it, you'll find these. The instructions, the game board, the characters, and there are 5 of them. I'll show you the other 3.
Yeah, first you saw the next video of this, right? You saw he had green and I had blue.
And the most important part to play the game, the
change.
cards, because they contain the colors, and whatever colors they tell, we need to move to whatever color it tells. But if you get the picture one, like this, you need to move where the 2 pictures are. So here's Dumbo and here's the feather.
And you have to stay there.
Let's get started.
Yeah.
So you go first because you're the youngest.
Okay. Orange.
After the person picks it, they need to put it on the bottom.
So I got the trail. So I go, okay, to bubble.
He got this. The first orange is a pixie dust trail. So you can skip all the way over here instead of going all the way over here. Now it's my turn. I got Dumbo and the feather. So I move here.
And what do you do?
Then I put the card on the bottom. Your turn.
Okay. Got it. Yellow.
Only 1 space.
Bow. Ow.
My turn. I got yellow as well.
And my brother accidentally dropped the key.
So I moved all the way over here.
Oh yeah. Not that far. Look at me. I got blue. That's 1 space again.
And this. Now it's my turn.
Double green.
I got double green, so I go here, then here.
Yeah. My turn.
Oh, he got the teacup, so he gets to move all the way over here.
And what do I do?
You just stay there.
Yeah. Till I get the next.
Now it's my turn. I got the flower. So I go all the way over here.
Ahead of us. Well, how did he do that? The flower.
Your turn.
The gem.
So you need to go back all the way over there.
Hi. Oh boy. Don't say we say. It's okay because I get to go because I stayed here and I know I can skip all.
I got double blue, so I go here, then here.
Double blue. So I was here, and you're here.
No, you need to go here, then here.
Here.
No, Richie.
Whatever.
First you go here,
Whatever.
and then here. It's double. I got double purple here and here.
I got the shoe.
Cinderella shoe? That goes all the way to the starting.
How does it go super mixed up?
My turn. I need to go back to Peter Pan's hats. That's all the way back here.
See? but I have to double blue. Oh man, not good. My brother's catching up. I don't want to lose this again.
I got double green. So I go here and then all the way over here. Which is in the middle of the game, but this is actually the middle.
Yeah. Orange. Just orange. Too bad.
My turn. Yellow.
What? Just two spaces. Oh man.
And I got yellow. So, good thing I passed this red one with the Mickey hat. Because you need to stop and eat at Pinocchio Village Halls. You need to stay here until a red card is drawn again. And your turn?
Double yellow. Too bad.
And I got double red.
Hey.
I'm almost at the end.
How long will I get there? Double orange.
No. Okay, double orange.
Well, I really want.
I got double orange. So I'm at the end of the game.
Yummy.
Yay.
Yeah, I did. Hi there, everyone.
So when you reach the game, actually the goal is to reach Cinderella Castle. So yay. And there's so many other cards. So bye.
Bye.
And this
Thank
game
you
is
for
called
watching.
Candyland.
Let's do